Hey, are you looking for some cheap and delicious high-protein foods to add to your diet? If so, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you the top 16 high-protein foods that are easy to find, affordable, and tasty. Protein is an essential nutrient that supports your health in many ways. It helps you build and maintain muscle mass, keep your bones strong, boost your immune system, and regulate your hormones. It also keeps you feeling full and satisfied, which can help you lose weight or maintain a healthy weight. The recommended amount of protein that you need per day depends on your age, sex, activity level, and health goals. But as a general rule, you should aim for at least 0.36 grams of protein per pound of body weight, or 0.8 grams per kilogram. That means if you weigh 150 pounds, or 68 kilograms, you need about 54 grams of protein per day. But how can you get enough protein without spending a fortune or eating the same boring foods every day? Well, that's where this video comes in handy. I'm going to share with you 16 amazing high-protein foods that are cheap and delicious. You can use them to make a variety of meals and snacks that will keep you satisfied and energized. So, let's get started. Here are the top 16 high-protein foods that you need to try. 1. Eggs. Eggs are one of the best sources of protein that you can get. They are cheap, versatile, and easy to cook. One large egg has about 6 grams of protein, and it also contains many other nutrients, such as vitamin B12, choline, selenium, and iron. You can have eggs for breakfast, lunch, or dinner, or use them to make baked goods, salads, sandwiches, and more. 2. Almonds. Almonds are a great snack that are high in protein and healthy fats. They also provide fiber, vitamin E, magnesium, and manganese. 1 ounce, or 28 grams, of almonds has about 6 grams of protein. You can eat them raw, roasted, or flavored, or use them to make almond butter, almond milk, or almond flour. 3. Chicken breast. Chicken breast is a lean and low-calorie source of protein that is easy to prepare and delicious. It also provides B vitamins, zinc, and selenium. 1/2 of a chicken breast, or 86 grams, has about 27 grams of protein. You can grill, bake, or fry chicken breast, or use it to make soups, stews, casseroles, salads, and more. 4. Cottage cheese. Cottage cheese is a type of cheese that is low in fat and calories, but high in protein and calcium. It also contains phosphorus, vitamin B12, and riboflavin. 1 cup, or 226 grams, of cottage cheese has about 28 grams of protein. You can eat it plain, or mix it with fruits, nuts, honey, or granola. You can also use it to make dips, spreads, or cheesecakes. 5. Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt is a thick and creamy yogurt that is high in protein and probiotics. It also provides calcium, potassium, and vitamin B12. 1 cup, or 245 grams, of plain Greek yogurt has about 23 grams of protein. You can eat it as a dessert, or use it to make smoothies, dressings, sauces, or baked goods. 6. Milk. Milk is a liquid that is high in protein and calcium. It also contains vitamin D, phosphorus, and iodine. 1 cup, or 244 grams, of whole milk has about 8 grams of protein. You can drink it plain, or use it to make coffee, tea, hot chocolate, or oatmeal. You can also use it to make cheese, yogurt, butter, or cream. 7. Lentils. Lentils are a type of legume that are high in protein and fiber. They also provide iron, folate, manganese, and antioxidants. 1 cup, or 198 grams, of cooked lentils has about 18 grams of protein. You can eat them as a side dish, or use them to make soups, salads, curries, burgers, or hummus. 8. Lean beef. Lean beef is a type of meat that is high in protein and iron. It also provides zinc, vitamin B12, and creatine. 1 3-ounce, or 85-gram, serving of lean beef has about 22 grams of protein. You can roast, grill, or fry lean beef, or use it to make steaks, burgers, tacos, or meatballs. 9. Fish. Fish is a type of seafood that is high in protein and omega-3 fatty acids. It also provides iodine, selenium, and vitamin D. 1 3-ounce, or 85-gram, serving of cooked fish has about 20 grams of protein. You can choose from a variety of fish, such as salmon, tuna, cod, sardines, or trout. You can bake, grill, or fry fish, or use it to make salads, sandwiches, or sushi. 10. Quinoa. Quinoa is a type of grain that is high in protein and fiber. It also provides magnesium, manganese, iron, and antioxidants. 1 cup, or 185 grams, of cooked quinoa has about 8 grams of protein. You can eat it as a breakfast cereal, or use it to make salads, pilafs, or veggie burgers. 11. Protein powders. Protein powders are a type of supplement that are high in protein and low in carbs and fat. They are made from various sources, such as whey, casein, soy, pea, or hemp. 1 scoop, or 30 grams, of protein powder has about 20 grams of protein. You can mix it with water, milk, or juice, or use it to make smoothies, shakes, or bars. 12. Ezekiel bread. Ezekiel bread is a type of bread that is high in protein and fiber. It is made from sprouted grains and legumes, such as wheat, barley, millet, spelt, soybeans, and lentils. 1 slice, or 34 grams, of Ezekiel bread has about 4 grams of protein. You can toast it, or use it to make sandwiches, toast, or French toast. 13. Pumpkin seeds. Pumpkin seeds are a type of seed that are high in protein and healthy fats. They also provide magnesium, zinc, iron, and antioxidants. 1 ounce, or 28 grams, of pumpkin seeds has about 9 grams of protein. You can eat them raw, roasted, or flavored, or use them to make granola, trail mix, or pesto. 14. Turkey breast. Turkey breast is a type of meat that is high in protein and low in fat and calories. It also provides selenium, phosphorus, and vitamin B6. 1 3-ounce, or 85-gram, serving of turkey breast has about 24 grams of protein. You can roast, grill, or fry turkey breast, or use it to make sandwiches, salads, or wraps. 15. Shellfish. Shellfish are a type of seafood that are high in protein and low in calories. They also provide iodine, selenium, zinc, and vitamin B12. 1 3-ounce, or 85-gram, serving of cooked shellfish has about 18 grams of protein. You can choose from a variety of shellfish, such as shrimp, crab, lobster, oysters, or mussels. You can boil, steam, or bake shellfish, or use them to make soups, stews, or paella. 16. Peanuts. Peanuts are a type of legume that are high in protein and healthy fats. They also provide fiber, magnesium, niacin, and antioxidants. 1 ounce, or 28 grams, of peanuts has about 7 grams of protein. You can eat them raw, roasted, or flavored, or use them to make peanut butter, peanut sauce, or peanut brittle. So, these are the top 16 high-protein foods that are cheap and delicious. You can use them to make a variety of meals and snacks that will keep you satisfied and energized. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. And don't forget to leave a comment below and let me know what your favorite high-protein food is. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!